Okay.
Hello, my little science.
Yeah, hello, my little. Okay,
Not hello, my little science. Hello, my little scientist.
grade 2, I will start. Please, all of you keep yourself mute, please.
Okay.
Okay, the name of Allah. We will start. My little scientist, welcome back to our online science class. I'm teacher Riham, your science teacher. Who can tell me what day is today? Tuesday or Wednesday?
Tuesday. Wednesday.
Today is
Tuesday.
Tuesday or
Tuesday. Wednesday.
yeah.
Tuesday.
Yeah, today is
Monday, Tuesday.
yeah, today is Wednesday. What is it?
The day.
20,
29, 21.
Today is
29.
29 of
September.
2021. Okay. Hello. Welcome to our online science class. I'm teacher Riham, your science teacher. May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Let's start grade 2 with our online class rules. Be prepared, be on time, turn off your camera, mute your mic, raise your hand to respond or to answer. Enjoy learning with me, okay? Let's start by this picture. If you remember this picture, we studied this in the last lesson, okay? Who can tell me, if you see this picture, now I will ask you a question. Earth has many different forms of, yeah, you choose who can answer. Yeah, let's start with Ala. So Ala, Earth has many different forms of. Yeah.
Teacher, are you see the video for me? I am sad.
No, still no. I'm sorry. Okay, I will see it. Inshallah.
Yes,
Thank you
teacher.
so much, honey. Okay, so let's tell me, honey, if you see this picture. Now, what about this picture? Earth has. We learned from this picture that Earth has many different forms of
Water.
water and
And come now. Land.
all of you keep yourself mute. Yeah, land and water. Great, Ala. So, Ala, in the last lesson, we study the land or water on the earth. Like a mountain, like a plain. So all of these shapes or land form. Yeah, we study the land on the earth. So can you guess, Ala, today, inshallah, on lesson 3, we will study what on the earth?
Water and air.
Water on earth. Thank you so much, Ala. So grade 2, great job, Ala. Grade 2, we have a new lesson. Today, inshallah, we will start on a new lesson. In this lesson, we will start, or the title of this lesson, Water on Earth. Yeah, water on earth, water on earth, okay? So water on earth. So lesson 3, the title of lesson 3, water on earth. So let's tell me again, Rafa, what the title of our lesson?
Rafa.
Yeah, tell me, Rafa, what the title of our lesson?
What?
Yeah. On?
What? What?
Yes. Water on?
Earth.
On air. Thank you so much, Rafa. So in this lesson, in the last lesson, we know what about the land, what about the land forms, the different forms of the land on earth. In this lesson, inshallah, we're gonna learn the different forms of water on the earth, okay? So let's start, but first you must write the title of our lesson, okay? Bring your notebook. Write the title of this lesson. Write water.
Okay, wait.
Earth. Okay, I'm waiting, but quickly, all of you. Write water on earth, okay? Quickly write, please.
I am right. I am fast. Yeah, I don't write.
Quickly write, quickly start to write. Yalla, water on earth. Quickly write.
I am done.
Okay. All of you done?
Wait. No. Wait.
Okay, right. Show me.
I'm done.
If you write, open your camera and show me. Yes. Haneen Muhammad. Okay, Haneen. Great, Haneen. Water on air. Thank you so much, Haneen. Yes, Raneem, show me. Okay, great, Raneem. Thank you so much. Excellent. Where are the others? Open your camera and show me. Yes, Jude? Okay, excellent, Jude. Thanks. Where are the others?
Teacher.
Sarah, excellent. Ala, thanks.
Teacher.
Yeah.
My camera don't work.
What's your name?
Juna.
Okay.
I could send a telegram.
I ask you to open your camera. Now you can start.
Teacher, I'm not Al-Musa. Teacher, look at Maya.
Great, Talia.
Talia.
Okay. Great, Rafa. Thank you so much, Rafa.
I am Nora Al-Musa.
Maya, yes, Noor Al-Musa. Great job, honey. Thank you so much. Maya and Noor Al-Musa. Yes, Donna. Yeah. Okay, show me. Yeah. So our lesson 3, water on air. Thank you so much, Donna. Okay, great job. Thanks a lot, grade 2. So here, lesson 3, we will start on lesson 3. Yes, Hams.
Teacher, I am Hans.
Show me, Hams. It's okay, great. Yes, Maya.
Teacher, see. Teacher. Wait, only 1 minute, okay?
Okay, water on air. Great, Mayar. Thank you so much, Mayar. Great, Rosanna. Okay, excellent, girl. Thank you so much. Let's start.
Teacher.
Yeah, let's start, please. Let's start. Great, Hoor. Okay, let's start our lesson. Please, all of you, stop your video. Let's start.
Teacher, no, wait.
So let's start by discovering this phenomena by the website. Okay. Please
Teacher, Sunday.
keep yourself mute, please.
Okay. Okay.
Let's discover the earth. What about the earth with a different color on our earth? Or okay. Yeah, so first I want you to look at this photo of the earth and then we will watch the video. What do you observe? What do the different colors show? What do you wonder about these areas? So anyone know what about these colors? I will choose who can answer. Okay, yeah, you can participate with me. Who's? Yeah, okay. Maya. So
Yes, teacher. I am Maya.
do you know what about the brown colors? The brown colors show what on the map? Highland, lowland.
What?
The brown color shows highland or lowland on the map?
Lowland.
Brown, brown, like a mountain.
Highland.
Yeah, what about the green color?
Lowland.
Great job. Thank you so much, Maya. Excellent. Yes, Hur. But Hur, brown color, and green color show us the land, shows the land. Now, Hur, let me ask you about this color, the blue color. Do you know the blue color show what?
Show the water.
Job Hur, thank you so much. And what about the white color?
Snow White.
Yeah, the frozen water. Thank you so much for amazing, Hur. So here we have different colors on the earth, okay? Okay, I show you this video for the earth, okay? Yeah, so look at the earth. Subhanallah, it has different colors of maybe the blue color for the water, the green and brown color for the earth, the green and brown color for the earth. Okay, so, okay, thank you, Jana. Thank you, Jana. Stop your video, please. Okay. Okay, now let's cover. Okay, so now we know that the earth have different colors. The earth has different colors. Okay, let's start by this activity.
In this lesson, you'll obtain, evaluate, and communicate information about water on Earth. You'll also discover patterns in the locations of liquid water and frozen water. Let's look back at the video you saw earlier in the lesson. Do you think there is more water on Earth's surface or more land?
Yeah, let me ask you, do you think there is more water or more land on the earth? More water or
More water.
no?
More water. More water.
It's not allowed. Yes, Talia. Do you think, Talia, there is more water or more land on the earth?
More water.
Why, Talia? Do you know?
Because there is many of water, ocean, lake,
Great.
river.
Many forms of the water, and we can see the blue color here on the earth more than the
Land.
green and the brown. Thank you so much, Talia. Great job. Okay.
Welcome to
In this activity, you'll color a world map to compare how much land and water are on Earth's surface. To carry out this investigation, you'll use a ruler, along with green and blue crayons or colored pencils. To complete this activity, you'll use a model of Earth to determine the amount of water and land on Earth's surface. Before you begin, make a prediction. Is Earth's surface covered with more land or water?
So again,
Take a moment to share your prediction with your
covered with more land or more water. Let me ask you. Yes, Rafa. More land or more water, Rafa?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. The Earth's surface covered with more land or more water?
More.
Land or water?
Water.
Okay, let's
your
observe.
classmates. Then select Continue.
Rafa.
Use a ruler to draw a grid of squares on the world map.
This page on
Your grid lines should be 1 inch apart.
okay, this page on page 45. So if we finish, you can do like this. If we finish the period, and you can send it to me on the Telegram, okay? Look. What he will do?
When you finish your grid, select Continue.
Okay, so you can use the ruler, make squares on the earth, okay?
Next, color the squares on the map. If the square is mostly water, then color it blue. If the square is mostly on a continent or land, color it green. Select Continue after you finish coloring your grid.
So can you see which has more color? The blue color is more than the green color.
Look carefully at the squares that are only partly colored blue or green. These are the squares near the edges of your map. If you color half or more of the square, then include it in your count. Now count the number of green squares and blue squares. Record your answers in your data table.
More.
When you finish,
More. Number of green squares or number of blue squares? Yes, Hams. Hams. Which will be more, Hams? Number of green squares or number of blue squares?
Blue.
Great, because the water is more. Thank you so much, Hams.
select Continue. Now that you've finished collecting data, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your
Okay. Now let me ask you by this science prop, okay? Let me ask you.
Teacher, can I show you something?
Okay, but wait after this science prop, okay? Okay. Munira, what? Munira, don't write anything in the chat. Every period I say this for you. The last warning for you, Munira. So here we have three friends, okay? Are wondering where most of the earth water is found. They have different ideas, okay? Read the ideas on this page and choose which is the best one, okay? Now, which friend has the best idea? The first friend say, I think most of the earth water is in lakes. Anyone agree with this idea? Most of the earth water is in lakes?
Yeah, Mira. No.
Nira will agree with
No. No.
Okay, number two.
No.
No. I ask if anyone agree. Don't say no. Number two, I think most of the earth's water is in oceans. Is in oceans. So who can agree with this idea?
Me, Talia.
Talia? Okay. Only Talia? Anyone with Talia?
No.
Okay. Number three, I think most of the earth water is in rivers. Who's agree with number three?
No. No. Me. Not. Me. I am number two, me, Talia.
Okay.
Number two. I am number two.
Yeah, okay, so.
Number two.
Yeah, okay, so this is the best idea for you. Okay, I will not answer now. Finish the period, we will answer this prop, okay? So now, what we learned, we know that the earth has many forms of water. The earth has many forms of water like the land, many different forms of land like mountain, like valley, like plain. Also, the earth has many different forms of water like oceans, like lakes, like rivers. I will explain for you more, but first you must know that the earth has many different forms of water, okay? The earth has many different forms of, yes, Jana Salim, earth has many different forms of. The earth has many different forms of.
Yeah.
Of what?
No.
Of what? Of what? I ask you of what, don't say yes or no. The earth has many different forms of land and... What's wrong with you, Jenna? Okay, so...
and water.
And water, yeah, focus. So the earth has many different forms of land, and we know what about the land forms before. In this lesson, we will learn what about the water forms, okay? The different forms of the water. And also, if I ask you, is Earth's surface covered with more land or more water? More land or more water, Donna?
More water.
Donna. Are you Donna? Yes, Donna?
Yes, teacher.
So if I ask you, Donna, is the earth surface covered with more land or more water? Look at this picture. More land or more water?
More water.
Yeah, more water because the oceans are large. What about the oceans? Oceans, it's a body of water, but it's very large. They are very large, the oceans. So we have more land or more water in our earth surface. Yes, Jude عارف more land or more water?
Yes, teacher.
Any more land or more water in our earth surface?
Yeah.
More land or more water? Which is more? Land, the green area, or water, the blue area? Which is more?
More.
Which is more, honey? The water or the land?
Water.
Yes, the water is more. Thank you so much, Jude. Maybe the water grade too. Maybe we have, or the water on our earth, maybe fresh water or salty water. So maybe the water in our earth, it's fresh or salty. It's fresh or salty. So can I ask you again, Mayar? Yes, Mayar? Mayar?
Yes, teacher.
So let's tell me, Mayar, which is more in our earth, land or water?
Water.
Yeah, great. And we have two kinds of water. Maybe the water, Mayar, is fresh or salt. Do you know, Mayar, which kind of water we can drink it? Can you drink water or salt water? Mayar. Yeah, great. Water because the salty has more salt. Thank you so much, Mayar. Great job. So we have two kinds of water. Maybe the water is fresh or salty. Okay. Most of the water are in. Most of the water, Rosanna, are in.
Ocean.
Most of the water are in oceans. Most of the water are in oceans. Okay. Yeah, okay. So most of the water are in ocean. Thank you so much, Rosanna. Great, Rosanna. So most of the water are in oceans. Yes, Nagam? Nagam? Nagam?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, just tell me, Nagam. Most of the water are in
Ocean.
oceans. Most of the water are in oceans. Thank you so much, Nagam. So most of the water are in oceans. Of the waters. Okay, let me ask you again. Who does not answer? Yes, Shaden. So Shaden, let's tell me again. The earth has more water or more land?
More land.
More land.
Yes.
Okay, let's look at this picture. This is for the water. Which is more, the blue color or the green color? Wait.
The blue.
Why this? The blue color. The blue. Yeah, so which is more, water or land?
Water.
Yeah, so number one, which is more? The water is more. Number one, which is more on our earth? The water is more. Thank you so much. Yeah, the water is more. The water is more in our land. And most of this water in oceans. Most of this water in oceans. Okay. So yes, Tala, are you there, Tala, or still absent? Tala? Tala?
Teacher, can I show you some?
Okay, wait on. تاليا okay, جنى جود حنين حور دونا رفا رنيم روزانا سارة شادن مايا منيرة ميار نورة همس. Okay, yeah, show me. Yes, Maya, show me. Are you Maya or who?
I am Maya.
Yeah, show me Maya. Open your video. Yes.
Open.
Yeah, this is the yeah, great. You color this page. Yeah, let's perfect. Can you see the page of Maya? For Maya?
Yeah.
Look how here the earth, or sorry, the water is more than the earth. Can you do like Maya, all of you in your notebook, in your book? In page 40.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to like Maya on page 45, okay? 40.
Teacher, do you see mine?
Yeah, wait, 45. So Maya, tell me Maya, which is more on the earth, water or land?
Teacher, look for me.
Yes, Maya, water or land?
Teacher. Water.
Good job, Maya. Thank you so much, Maya. Excellent, honey. Okay, please try to do like Maya on page 45. Yeah, open your...
Teacher, look.
I can't see anything. Yeah. What's your name?
Donna.
Donna. Okay, try to open again. Yes, Donna, show me. Okay, look at Donna book. Yeah, show me well, Donna.
I can't see Donna.
No, we cannot see Donna. Move on the left side or the right.
I don't see Donna.
Move. Move your book. Donna.
Can I? No.
Donna, move your book. Yeah, move your book. Move your book. Yeah, on the left, yeah. So this is the land. Yeah, great. The land has more water or more land, more, sorry, the earth has more water or more land?
More water.
More water. Thank you so much, Donna. Great job. Thanks for all of you. So grade 2, in this lesson, we know that...
Yeah, and me, teacher. Look at me.
Tell me what's your name? Munira?
Munira.
Tell me, Munira.
Open the camera for me. Camera. You close for me. Me, teacher. Open the camera. Open the camera. For me.
Munira.
You close the camera for me.
Yeah. Quickly open, because there is no time.
I can. Okay.
I ask you to start.
I start, but I can.
Yes, Noura Al-Musa. So Noura, which is more, land or water on our earth? Yes, Haneen. Great, Haneen. Okay, so you must color it, Haneen, okay? Color it with a blue color and then green color. Thank you so much. Okay, so grade 2. Thanks for all of you sent to me on this program because there is no time. So the earth has many different forms of water, and the earth has more water than land because oceans are large. The water may be fresh or salty. Most of the water oceans. Okay.
Teacher, finish.
Inshallah, yeah. See you inshallah tomorrow. Finish, hon. Assalamu alaikum.
Goodbye.